Hi friends, good day to all. Today we are going to discuss the simple addition and subtraction calculator function in MATLAB using GUI user interface. On the program window, just type guide and then give enter. You will lead to the guide startup and then choose the directory where your file will be stored. And then give OK and then give OK. You will lead to a programmer window and then graphical user face window. Here you need to add the GUI user interface components. I required two variables such as x and y to add and subtract, and the result I require the one text box and then two edit text box. So take two edit text box and then put one static text box. Just drag it to maximize. Just drag it to maximize. Just drag it to maximize. Then I require two push button for addition and subtraction. Just maximize it. And then another one push button. And then double click the edit text box. And then change the tag name as the variable x, capital X or a small x. And then delete the string. And then go to font size. Then increase your font size. And then change the color of the text box. I want to give some color. And then choose the next text box. Go to change the tag name as y. And then delete the string. And then as usual change the font size. And then change the color of your text box. I choose different color. You can use different color. Then go to static text box. Change the tag name as z. And then change the string to be deleted. And the font size should be changed 50. Then color should be changed. Okay. And then you need to go to next, go to push button. So this is the add function. Add, and then change the name to add, and then go to font size, change the font size, change 20, and change the color as some color. Okay, and then go to next push button, and then change the push button as subtract callback function. We need to call the subtract call function. And then it should also sub. And then we need to change the font. It's also 20. And then it should some color. Okay. And then you just come out it, close, go to editor window, and then go to add callback function. Then here you need to type is equal to your string to number get open another bracket handles dot capital X variable comma single quote string string, close the single quote and close the bracket comma, and then copy this for the next line, and that should be the, and it should be Y, and then next C is equal to, sorry, it's C is the small, C is equal to A plus B comma, then we add two variables such as x and y. Next we need to print that variable. For that you can use set open the bracket handles dot capital lizard comma single quote string and then comma, you need to put the value of c and then close the bracket semicolon. So now we complete the add function. Okay, next we need to go to sub callback function. Here you can copy all the things and then below this line change the function as subtraction, and then we complete it here. Program is completed. Next go to user interface script and then run the program, then load add in 5 minutes for one. So you can do add 1. So similar way you can enable multiplication and then division also. Let's also discuss it. You can enable the to push button. You can shift it here. You can enable the two push buttons. Just drag it and then change the font color and font size. And then go to multiplication ULT multiplication multiplication multiplication, and then it should also change, and then next go to next push button, change the tag name as division, and change the string name as division, and then change the font size as 20, and then go to colors, you can choose different colors and give OK and close it. So you need to again go to editor window. Here you need to go to multiply callback function. Just copy the previous one and then change the function minus function into multiply function. Similarwise, go to division callback function and then just copy the previous one and then paste it below it. Change the function as division. Okay, that's all. Next, go to user interface screen and then 5 5 multiply 25 divide I got 1. 0 divided by 1 I got 0. 1 divided by 0 I got infinity. Okay, thank you all. Below video description you can get the code, get the MATLAB MATLAB file and MATLAB file. Thank you.